Ladies, gentlemen, an exciting journey into the world of rare and historic coins, where small pieces of metal can hold powerful stories, hidden secrets, and the dream of incredible value. Today we're diving into two fascinating United States Susan B. Anthony dollar coins from 1979 and 1980, coins that may look ordinary at first glance but carry a unique place in history and the hearts of collectors. These coins are more than just currency, they represent change, ambition, and a bold step in American coin design. Featuring one of the most influential women in history, Susan B. Anthony, these dollars symbolize strength, equality, and progress. Even in circulated and worn condition with no mint mark and visible copper edges, these coins tell a story of time, movement, and real-world use. But the real question is, could these coins be hiding something more? Could a simple coin in your pocket be worth far more than you imagine? That mystery is what makes coin collecting so exciting and addictive. So stay with us as we explore the details, the history, and the truth behind these incredible coins. Coin number 1, the 1980 United States Susan B. Anthony dollar coin is one of the most fascinating and misunderstood coins in American history, often overlooked in everyday transactions yet surrounded by curiosity, mystery, and bold claims of hidden value. At first glance, it may appear like an ordinary coin, something you might ignore in your pocket change. But for collectors and enthusiasts, this small dollar carries a story that stretches far beyond its size and simple appearance. Introduced as part of a bold move by the United States Mint, the Susan B. Anthony dollar was designed to honor one of the most important figures in American history, a pioneer for women's rights. The coin represented progress, change, and a shift in how the nation recognized influential individuals. However, despite its strong symbolic meaning, the coin faced immediate challenges due to its similarity in size and color to the quarter, leading to confusion among the public. By 1980, the coin was already struggling to gain widespread acceptance in circulation. Many people avoided using it and businesses were hesitant to distribute it. As a result, millions of these coins remained unused in storage, while others circulated lightly and eventually became worn over time. Today, circulated and worn examples are quite common, but that does not mean every coin is without interest or potential value. When we talk about a 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar with no mint mark, we are referring to coins produced at the Philadelphia Mint. These coins typically do not carry a mint mark, which often leads beginners to believe they are rare. In reality, millions were minted, making most examples relatively common in the collector market. The mention of a copper side condition refers to the coin's composition, which includes a copper core layered with nickel. Over time, wear can expose this copper layer, giving the coin a distinct appearance along the edges. While this is normal for circulated coins, it sometimes adds character and visual appeal for collectors who appreciate authentic signs of use. It is important to understand that not every 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar is worth a fortune. In fact, most circulated examples are valued only slightly above their face value. However, the excitement around these coins often comes from the possibility of rare errors, unique conditions, or exceptional preservation that can dramatically increase their worth. Coin collecting is driven by rarity, demand, and condition. A heavily worn coin that has passed through many hands tells a story, but it typically holds modest financial value. On the other hand, a coin with sharp details, minimal wear, or unusual features can attract serious attention from collectors willing to pay significantly more. There are certain variations and errors within the Susan B. Anthony series that have captured the interest of collectors. These include striking errors, die variations, and unusual minting flaws. While such coins are rare, they are the reason why people continue to search through old collections and pocket change with hope and excitement. The idea that a single coin could be worth millions of dollars often comes from misunderstandings or exaggerated claims. While it is true that some rare coins in history have reached extraordinary values, most 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollars do not fall into that category. Still, the possibility of discovering something unusual keeps the dream alive for many collectors. For someone new to coin collecting, the 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar can serve as a great starting point. It is affordable, widely available, and historically significant. Holding one in your hand connects you to a unique moment in American history when the country attempted to change its currency system. Even though the coin did not achieve long-term success in circulation, it remains an important part of numismatic history. It represents both innovation and challenge, showing how even well-intentioned ideas can face unexpected obstacles. Collectors often enjoy studying the details of the coin, including the portrait, inscriptions, and overall design. Each element reflects careful craftsmanship and historical importance, making it more than just a piece of metal. The phrase, "In God we trust," and the word liberty remind us of the values embedded in American coinage. These inscriptions have been part of U.S. coins for generations, linking each coin to a broader national identity. Over time, coins like the Susan B. Anthony dollar develop a kind of personality. Scratches, marks, and wear patterns tell a story of where the coin has been and how it has been used. For some collectors, this history is just as valuable as the coin itself. There is also a strong emotional aspect to coin collecting. The thrill of finding an old coin, the curiosity about its journey, and the hope that it might be rare all contribute to the excitement of the hobby. While many online claims suggest overnight wealth from common coins, it is always important to approach such ideas with realistic expectations. Knowledge and research are key to understanding true value. A genuine rare coin is usually supported by clear evidence, expert verification, and strong demand in the collector market. Without these factors, even an old coin may not hold significant monetary value. Still, the dream of discovering a hidden treasure is what keeps many people interested. It turns everyday objects into something magical and full of possibility. The 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar also serves as a reminder of how currency evolves over time. Different designs, materials, and concepts reflect changing needs and ideas within society. Even though the coin was not widely accepted, it paved the way for future dollar coins, influencing later designs and decisions. Collectors often compare different years and mint marks to understand subtle differences and build complete sets. This adds another layer of depth to the hobby. For those who enjoy storytelling, each coin becomes a piece of history waiting to be explored and understood. The worn condition of a circulated coin shows its real-world use, making it a small witness to everyday life in the past. Although most examples are common, there is always a chance that a unique piece could appear, keeping collectors alert and engaged. This sense of mystery is what makes coin collecting both educational and entertaining. Even a simple coin can spark conversations, inspire research, and connect people across generations. The Susan B. Anthony dollar remains a symbol of change, both socially and economically. It highlights the importance of representation and recognition in national symbols. For collectors, it offers a blend of history, design, and curiosity that continues to attract attention. Whether valuable or not, every coin has a story worth telling. And sometimes, the real treasure is not the price of the coin, but the journey of discovering its meaning, its background, and its place in history. So if you ever come across a 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar, take a moment to look closely, because even the most ordinary coin can hold an extraordinary story. Coin number 2, the 1979 United States Susan B. Anthony dollar coin, is a fascinating piece of American history that continues to capture attention, spark curiosity, and inspire bold claims of hidden wealth. At first glance, it may appear to be an ordinary coin, something small and easily overlooked in daily life, but behind its simple appearance lies a story filled with ambition, change, and mystery. This coin was introduced during a time when the United States was ready to try something new. It was not just about currency, it was about making a statement. For the first time in history, a real woman, Susan B. Anthony, was honored on a circulating U.S. coin. This decision carried deep meaning, representing equality, recognition, and progress. Susan B. Anthony herself was a powerful figure who dedicated her life to fighting for women's rights. By placing her portrait on the coin, the nation acknowledged her contributions and ensured that her legacy would continue to live on in everyday life. Every coin carried not just monetary value, but also historical importance. However, despite its strong message, the coin faced immediate challenges. One of the biggest problems was its design. It looked very similar to the quarter in both size and color. This caused confusion among the public, leading many people to reject it or mistakenly use it as a quarter. Because of this confusion, the coin never gained popularity in circulation. Many were stored away, while others circulated only briefly before disappearing from everyday use. Today, this has created a unique situation where some coins are common, while others remain hidden in collections and forgotten places. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar with no mint mark was produced in Philadelphia. For many collectors, the absence of a mint mark can seem exciting as it creates the illusion of rarity. But in reality, millions of these coins were minted, making most of them quite common. When we talk about a coin in good and worn condition, we are looking at a piece that has lived a life. It has passed through hands, traveled across places, and been part of everyday transactions. The wear on its surface tells a silent story of time and movement. The copper edge that can sometimes be seen on these coins is part of their construction. Inside, there is a copper core surrounded by outer layers. As the coin ages and wears down, this inner layer becomes visible, adding to its unique appearance. There is a strong belief among many people that such coins can be worth millions of dollars. This belief often spreads through exciting stories and bold claims. While it is true that some rare coins have reached incredible values, not every coin falls into that category. The real value of a coin depends on rarity, condition, and demand. A common coin in worn condition is unlikely to be extremely valuable, but a rare variation or error can change everything. One of the most famous variations of the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar is the wide rim or near date variety. This version has the date positioned closer to the edge, making it different from the standard design. Collectors often search carefully for this variation because it is less common and more desirable. Small details like this can make a big difference in the world of coin collecting. The excitement of finding such a coin is what keeps collectors motivated. Every coin becomes a possibility, a chance to discover something rare and valuable. Even though most coins will not make someone a billionaire overnight, the dream itself is powerful. It turns ordinary moments into exciting opportunities. The idea of hidden treasure is deeply connected to human curiosity. It is what makes people check their old jars of coins or search through pocket change with hope. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar stands as a reminder that value is not always obvious. Sometimes, something that looks simple can hold deeper meaning. Collectors are not just looking for money, they are looking for stories, history, and connection. Each scratch, each mark, and each detail adds to the personality of the coin. The design of the coin itself is also meaningful. The portrait of Susan B. Anthony shows strength and determination, reflecting her role in history. On the reverse side, the image of an eagle landing on the moon represents achievement and exploration. It connects the coin to a time of great ambition and success. Together, these elements create a coin that is both symbolic and historical. Even in worn condition, the coin retains its identity and purpose. Its journey through time makes it unique, even if it is not rare. Understanding the true value of coins requires knowledge and patience. It is easy to believe in exaggerated claims, but real collectors rely on facts and careful observation. Professional grading plays an important role in determining a coin's value. Experts examine details such as wear, sharpness, and overall condition. Without proper evaluation, it is difficult to know the true worth of a coin. This is why education is important in the world of collecting. The more you learn, the better you understand what makes a coin special. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar may not always be extremely valuable, but it is always interesting. It represents a bold idea that did not fully succeed, yet still left a lasting impact. It also opened the door for future dollar coins. Collectors today continue to study and appreciate these coins. They see beyond the surface and recognize the story behind them. This is what makes coin collecting such a rewarding hobby. It combines history, art, and discovery in a unique way. Every coin becomes a small piece of a much larger story. Even a simple coin can inspire excitement and curiosity. The possibility of finding something rare keeps the passion alive. And while not every coin will change your fortune overnight, it can still hold value in other ways. It can teach you, inspire you, and connect you to history. That is something far more meaningful than money alone. So the next time you come across a 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar, do not ignore it. Take a moment to look closely. Because within that small coin lies a story of ambition, struggle, and legacy. And sometimes that story is the greatest treasure of all.